Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. So for today, I am testing out 3 viral TikTok hacks for you guys. I've been on TikTok so much recently, and like, you know, as you're scrolling and you just see so many life hacks, beauty hacks, food hacks, and like they're just so intriguing and you want to try them. So I want to see a part 1, but I only did like one thing in that video, which was testing out the viral TikTok coffee, which I'm absolutely obsessed with, in love with. So refreshing and so delicious. If you guys have not yet tried it, you guys definitely need to try that coffee. This is a part 2, testing out 3 viral TikTok makeup hacks for you guys. If you guys want to watch me put these hacks to the test and see if they work, if they're successful, or if these hacks are whack and they're a complete fail, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to test out the first hack. Let's roll the clip.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your makeup is gonna look, and it's gonna stay on 24/7 and it's not gonna crease.
It says moisturize first. So for moisturizer, I am taking the Summer Fridays Jet Lag face mask. Again, I love this stuff. It's super hydrating. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and apply it as my moisturizer. This is very different because you guys know me. I have like, I feel like a million step makeup routine. She said to moisturize first, did that, then said to take some translucent powder and apply that all over your face. I'm taking my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and this is in banana bread. And then she said to apply this all over lightly, not too much. So basically what we're doing here is we're setting our moisturizer, which is super weird for me. I've never ever tried this before, or I have never done my makeup like this before, so it's so different. Okay, so she said apply translucent powder, not too much, which, yeah, this is perfect because it's not sticky anymore. So basically this, I feel like really mattified my moisturizer. So for setting spray, I'm taking the BADESCU facial setting spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and spritz my face. And then she says to apply primer right after, but she says wait for your setting spray to dry. So we're going to speed up the process. For primer, I am taking my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know I absolutely love this stuff. So I'm just taking a little bit of my primer and just going to prime my face. And it's weird, the powder, or like you don't feel anything rolling once you put your powder and then put your primer. I would be thinking like the powder would be rolling or like moving or just something weird on your skin, but it actually doesn't feel like anything. It just feels so sticky. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. You see how sticky my face is? It's so sticky. So next it says to take foundation. I'm going to be using my 2 all-time favorite foundations that I use on like an everyday basis, which is my Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the shade Sand and my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Golden Beige. So I'm going to be mixing these together and applying it because that's what I normally use. So I just want to see if the foundation looks, you know, any different or better with doing it with this routine. As you guys know, I love my foundation to be super full coverage, so I'm taking a good amount, being generous. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take my damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation on with this. Have any of you guys tried this technique or this TikTok hack? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think and how you guys liked it. Are you guys obsessed with this hack? Are you guys using it on like a daily basis now? And if you guys haven't tried it, are you guys down to try it? Because like I was so nervous to try this out because like I was like, oh my god, like who does that? Who puts moisturizer and then sets their moisturizer, you know, and then uses a setting spray? It's such a weird makeup, like you wouldn't think of that, you know what I mean? I would never think of that. Wait, so like after this, are you supposed to put concealer on, or are you supposed to do your like cream contour? Do you stick to your regular routine? Like I'm so confused. I really want you guys to try it out and let me know what you guys think, because if I like it, this might be the new way I apply my makeup from now on. I can't believe how good my face looks. Alright, so this hack is definitely a success. This looks so good. I'm just going to finish off the rest of my face and then I'll be right back to test out the second hack. I'm just going to go ahead and just apply my concealer how I normally do. I'm really happy with the way that's turned out. So this hack is definitely a success. Does not look cakey. Everything looks really nicely blended and pressed into my skin. You guys have to try it out if you guys haven't tried it out already. And let's move on to hack number 2.
Never said they need it. Girls can't never say no. Oh no. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, heavy breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it.
Okay, so this next hack, basically you're going to apply a nice even coat of mascara, and this is supposed to lift your lashes. I'm using the Too Faced waterproof mascara for this. Now that I have applied on one eye, I'm going to go ahead and put my blow dryer on the lowest setting. No, that did not do anything. I'd rather use my eyelash curler. Okay, so that hack does not work. Don't even waste your time in that. I'd rather you just use an eyelash curler. It gives you better results. So now we're going to move on to the next hack, which is lashes. So let's play the clip.
I'm about to show you how you could apply your false lashes in less than 10 seconds. First thing you want to do is get your lash glue. Get a lash glue that has a tip kind of similar to a liquid liner, like this. Then you want to get your mirror, tilt your head back. Then you want to apply the glue as close as possible to your lash line, just like you apply liquid liner. Now once you're done, get your lashes, girl. Then I get my lashes with my lash tweezers. I mean, if you good like that, you can use your hands, but I like to use these. Then take your lashes, plop those babies on. You don't even have to wait for the glue to dry. Then I just squeeze my lashes with the false lashes, so you know, no glue's showing through. Add some mascara.
I have my false lashes right over here. I'm using the SANZA Beauty lashes in the style North. I'm just going to be reusing a pair because I have them open and they're cut to my size and everything. For lash glue, I'm going to be taking my House of Lashes clear lash glue. Okay, so it says basically just tilt your head back, apply your lash glue. You don't have to wait for it to dry or anything, and then you could just stick your lashes on. So we're going to test that out. Not too much. I'm just going to take a little bit of this and then just apply it. Oh, I should have not curled my lashes. That would have been a smart thing. I'm just going to as close to my lashes as possible, or my lash line. Just apply this glue, and then we're just going to take our lashes, and then it says do not wait for your lash glue to dry, and just stick them on, and then just squeeze them. Right, you guys, so that hack is definitely a success. That does work. The only thing is I would use a clear lash glue instead of a black one, just because with the black one I feel like the glue might show. With the clear one, it kind of dries more on the clear side, which is amazing. I feel like I'm going to be using these hacks a lot more now. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching me put these hacks to the test. Again, I'm so obsessed with the way my foundation and my base makeup looks. Everything looks so flawless and just so pressed into my skin and just so natural and glowy. It does not look cakey. Everything looks so flawless and just like airbrushed, and I'm like obsessed with the way my face, with the way my makeup looks. I feel like this is going to be the new way I apply my foundation, my primer, and all that stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me testing out these viral TikTok hacks. Again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like these videos so I can do a part 3. And let me know if you guys want to see more beauty hacks, if you guys want to see food hacks or lifestyle hacks. Make sure you guys give this a big thumbs up if you guys like it so I can continue doing more of these TikTok videos. I would love to test them out and, you know, share them with you guys and see if they actually work or if they do not work and they're just a waste of your time. Again, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you guys never miss another upload. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!